Right, intro, take number 3. I filmed this, I'm halfway through my session, I've filmed this 3 times because my mics weren't on, sound. We're in for upper today. I've taken you through the session before, so I'm going to keep this one a little bit more raw. Next, feeling a little bit on the ropes there, I can't lie. So how well the DB press will go, I don't know, we shall see. But yeah, enjoy the tube, like and subscribe. See you on the dumbbell press. Oh god, bloody good YouTube this. I've got graze on my arse from football, it's killing me. Mate, I slipped, I'm telling you I slipped. What's your set today? 42. A bit nervous, right? Good again. Good, and again. All you, take it. Top set tune. Come on. Jesus, I misgrooved every rep. Literally every single one wasn't in the right position. Right, 37s taken for 4, which isn't horrendous. My actual PB for when I was not injured and fatter was like 45s, I think, or I can't remember. I wrote it in one of my Instagram posts the other day, but anyway, 37.4 isn't bad. I misgrooved literally every rep, like every rep felt horrendous, but we got the progress. So now to the back off, 32s, freaking send it. Update for the vlog. Bye. Oh my god, look at her butt. Pretty normal song to be fair. Two up. Bash. Are you working? Little note from those 2 sets there. So we got 2 sets of this single arm pull down. First set I got 40 for 10, which was plus 3, I think, kind of awesome, or plus 2. So the second set, my back off, which is usually like a slightly higher rep range, I just stuck at the same weight because of that first set being quite a lot higher. So yeah, don't feel constrained by if you're doing a top set and back off. Don't feel like it's got to be a heavy one and a light one. It really doesn't make too much difference as long as that intensity is there. So I tend to like the first one being a little bit lower, but if it does end up being higher, I'll just maintain the load for the second set, and then next week I'll make sure I take a fairly big load progression on that first set. Take your body weight up with that and you're going to get freaking massive, probably. I am such a good videographer. On to a tricep focus press, which I'm going to tell you how to do it in a sec. So there's a key point I think a lot of people miss. I used to do this back in HL's gymnasium. So just doing a little machine adjustment there, getting some back pads and a resistance band. I was about to say rubber band, to essentially just give us a little bit more range of motion, because before we were just bottoming out. So 2 back pads, make sure we can get a nice stretch. The second thing we want to be doing when we're thinking about a tricep press is getting the elbow below the line of force. So if you look at this handle, that's where the line of force is, in line with my finger. So ideally, in that stretch position, you need your elbow to be below your hand. That way you're going to be getting a moment arm to your elbow, so the distance between the line of force and the joint that you're using. Therefore, you're going to be using your tricep. So yeah, essentially elbow below hands, tricep. Right, these tunes are really, really putting me off. It's like Christmas D&B, doing a little tandem overhead tricep extension. Do you die off proper quick on these sets? Yeah, I go from like last week I did 17s and I went for 12 and basically matched reps.
Yeah, as soon as I've done the first set, I literally just like can't move anything. Easy things.
Right chaps, that is the session. Dunsky, let me run you through it. 3 sets of cable ab crunch, 4 sets of a lateral, 2 sets of a dumbbell press, 2 sets of a single arm pull down, 2 sets of the tricep focus press, the close grip one, then 3 of the skull crusher, 3 of the incline dumbbell curl. Give this session a go. I honestly think you'll really like it. Nice balanced, slight push focused upper session. I'm going to leave the tube there. If you enjoyed it, drop a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Ciao.